Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Geeta Hair, and I know you guys see this wig. This wig is super different than anything I've shown you guys before. And we've had pre-braided wigs before, but this one is tea, okay? So this wig is from Geeta Hair, and this is their Go Glueless pre-braided wig, Burmese curl. This is a 5x7 lace closure. It is pre-cut. Obviously, because this is a pre-braided wig, it does come pre-bleached as well, which we're definitely going to discuss. This lace, it does come with the baby hairs also. I actually have this wig in 24 inches, I believe, and this wig does come in a 13x4 lace frontal as well. So depending on your preference, you can either get the lace closure or the lace frontal. This wig also comes in 180% density or 250% density. I want to say I have 180% density, but I'll make sure I put all the specific details in the description box down below. However, based on their website, this wig is actually super popular right now. You guys know a lot of people are loving the pre-braided wigs, which I see why. Honestly, they're very different, they're very unique, and they're also very cute. So as always, I'm going to start off with giving you guys an unboxing just to show you what comes along with the wig unit in itself. I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of this hair. As you guys can see, it's a nice curly texture. The lace does come pre-bleached for you. It also comes pre-cut for you, and it also comes with some baby hairs as well. Now, I did appreciate the lace. I felt like the braids were also very, very clean. The parting style was very clean, and I actually didn't mind the baby hairs. You guys know that I'm not a really big baby hair fan, but I didn't mind it on this wig. What I will say though is that I felt like the lace was just a little over bleached, so that's something that I would like the brand to pay attention to later on. This is something that you guys can fix, but you guys know that when I record my wig tutorials, most likely I'm just installing the wig straight out the box unless I really have to fix something. So if you guys do end up having this problem, if you order the wig for yourself, you could actually use some blue shampoo or the purple shampoo on the lace, let it sit for like 10-15 minutes. That would actually help get rid of that orange tint that may be on it. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up for that. However, I did use my foundation as normal, and I put that all over the lace before I installed it, and I did use a lighter foundation inside the parts, but we'll get to that later on. Of course, I'm just going to give you guys some more close-ups of the lace in general. And the hair I really liked also. The hair was very light, it was very fluffy, and it was very full. Okay, so technically you guys can't even really see the lace, which is actually a good thing, but in person I just noticed that there were some areas that I felt like could look a little bit better with some spray. I know not everybody likes to do that, so it's completely optional for you, but I just always feel like lace closures look even better with just a little bit of spray. So I just went in with a little bit of my stuff and just pressed it down and made sure everything looked natural. And then I just went ahead and added some more foundation onto the edges of the lace, and I also played with the baby hairs as well. So one thing that I liked about these baby hairs is that they have like this natural baby curl to them, and I just felt like it was fitting for the hairstyle. I felt like if I laid them down, I wouldn't like it. Also, if I cut them off completely, I feel like the lace probably will be a little too noticeable, especially because the color was a tad bit off because it's over bleached. So I actually left them as it was. You guys comment down below and let me know what you think about that. That is a first for me because you guys know I'm not a big baby hair fan, but with the way the wig was designed, I just feel like these baby hairs actually did go with it, so I left it as is. Another thing that I left as is was the rest of the hair. The hair was very light, it was very fluffy, and the curls were just so naturally pretty that honestly I didn't even need to refresh it with water. Therefore, I was grateful for that. That's less work for me. This is a true like put on and go wig because I just added some foundation, a little bit of spray in areas that I see fit. Again, that's completely optional for you. And that's all that I had to do. This is probably one of the first curly wig units that I actually did not need to touch up the rest of the hair. So Geeta Hair, you guys did an amazing job with that. Also, this hair is 100% human hair. I don't know if I told you guys that before, but yes, she is 100% human hair. And just like that, we are finished. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I feel like even if you do get this wig and you don't want it for the braids, get it for the hair texture, because you take these braids out, I'm 100% sure you're still going to love this wig unit. The hair felt so nice to the touch. It felt so natural, so real, which it should. It's 100% human hair. But she was gorgeous, you guys. And again, I did not do too much to it at all. I took it out the box, shook it out, added some foundation, a little bit of spray, and I was good to go. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, for the exact same wig that I have, it's around like $250 on the website, which honestly, it could be worse, but for all my budget girlies, just keep that in mind, okay? But to everybody else, they do have a longer length option, they do have a fuller density option, and they also do have a lace frontal option for this same wig. So if you want to like play around on the website with the numbers and kind of see what you're looking at depending on what you are looking for, then make sure you guys check out my description box down below. But that is all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Geeta Hair, shout out to you for this beautiful wig. I will see you guys next time.